Today we are back in Urbanización Las Arenas. We are in Marbella East in what we call Bahía Marbella, one of the most exclusive area of Marbella. We have a brand new property here to introduce you that will be perfect for a family. It is west oriented, so you will have a lot of sun and lights, mostly during afternoon with beautiful sunsets. It has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and you'll be just not even 1 minute walking from the sea. From the urbanization, you have direct access to the seashore of Marbella. You'll be only a couple of minutes driving from Marbella, a couple of minutes driving from La Concha, the beautiful mountain you have behind, and to the golf course you have around. So come with us, let us introduce you to this wonderful property, and see you later. What did you think of this new property we have here in Urbanización Las Arenas? It will be perfect for a family to enjoy what Costa del Sol has to offer the best. You will be just a couple of minutes walking from the beach, just a couple of minutes driving from Marbella city center, so everything to enjoy Marbella to the best without all the inconvenience. So feel free to reach us. You can reach us via mail, via WhatsApp, via phone, however you want. I am sure we will find something for you for your next holiday. So, what are you waiting? Call us, reach us, and see you soon in Costa del Sol.